shot, isn't there? That is the kitchen sink. Smack. Third nice and straight. Didn't run, he didn't bother running. He knew that he had bisected the two fielders.
Yeah, oh, now he's out goal. Can you believe it? That's the one that hits him every now and then. Across the line. So this guy, that's the first wicket for him. Closing out his third over. What a shame. This shows that across the line of the ball when he's hit one down the ground. Just the net.
And he didn't pick the wrong one either. You can see it was the wrong one. The inside edge dragging the ball onto the stumps. First wicket for Ravi Biswa. He's been impressive. The young man, no question about it. He's been very, very impressive. Vishnu. Also, out for 31, it's 86 for 4.